So now let's see how we can use shapes inside of a Figjam file. So to use shapes, you can see that over here on the bottom, you got an elliptical shape right here. And if you were to click over here, you can just bring in the shape. You can go around right here, click on plus to bring in another shape, and you can see that they are also linked together. So for this shape, you can go around and change around different settings. So you can go around, change the color of the shape right here. You can just choose a color from the menu right here, and you can also go around and change out the outline of the shape right here. You can go around, select no outline, or select an outline of your choice. Similarly, you can go around over here and select out different shapes. As you can see, you can go around right here, resize the shape right here according to how you like it from the side, and you can also go around, select out different shapes as per your choice. You can also click over here and there are different shapes, as you can see. So you can go around over here, there's a folder right here, and here you can see that these are different shape options that you can see. So inside of shapes, you can also add in text. So you can see hello right here. And as with formatting of any text, you can select out the text, you can bold this out, you can strike it through, you can link this out right here, as you can see. And you can also go around and then turn it into a list, or align this out onto the left, on the center, and change this out into a heading or a subheading according to how you like it. And that is how you can use shapes and text inside of shapes inside of a Figjam file in Figma. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.